Hello to you and welcome to another video review section. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you around the Orange Mail software platform. Okay, Orange Mail is actually a software platform that allows you to send unlimited emails and automated emails as well to your subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the system and everything that you need to know so that at the end of this training or this tutorial, you will be able to properly navigate the Orange Mail software platform. Okay, please, I would like to say this. I would like for you to please ignore this particular tab section here. It is a section for me to control the video that I am trying to make. Okay, so let's ignore it while we go ahead. Okay, now as you can see, I'm currently in my members area. Okay, this is what you get to see when you log into the Orange Mail platform. Okay, this is what you get to see. You can see on the top bar we have a couple of options there. We have a list of menus there. You can see we have the dashboard, the campaigns, the automation, the list, the templates, and then the sending option. At the far end, the far right side of the screen, you can see we have the username there. That's my username. And when you click it, you can see we have a drop down of a list of options. We're going to talk about this later on this video. Okay, so when you click on the sending option right there too, you can see that we have 4 drop down options here, which includes the sending domains, the sending identity, the tracking domains, and then the blacklist section. Okay, right now let's see what we have on the dashboard. Okay, you can see we have a view of the amount of credits we've used. Okay, so I think credits means a list of something that allows you to send your emails. Okay, so that's just basically what that means. Okay, you can see we have a bar that shows the sending credits, and then you can see I've sent 1 mail out of 5,000 mails that I have to send. Okay, you can see we have a list here. We have 1 out of 10 lists. That means I can upload 10 lists here, but I have 1 uploaded at the moment. You can see we have a bar that shows the campaign. Okay, I've created 7 campaigns out of the 20 campaigns that I'm supposed to create, and I have 1 subscriber out of 1,000 required subscribers. Okay, so you can see we have a recent sent campaigns section down here. This shows you the recent campaigns you've sent. As you can see, I sent 1 campaign, and you can see it here. This is my Gmail account. You can see the email I sent here. I just sent it about a few minutes ago. You can see 5 minutes ago. Okay, so let's go back. When you scroll down, you see we have the statistics. This shows you the stats of the emails you've sent out and basic information that you need on your day-to-day usage of this particular software. Okay, when you scroll down, you can see we have the open rates, the success deliveries, and the list of other important details that you need to know. Okay, when you come down, you see that we have the 24-hour performance chart bar. Okay, so basically everything that you see on the screen is meant to help you use the software to maximize your use of the software. Okay, so you can see we have the top 5 campaigns open, campaign clicks, and the clicked links. You can see we have the activity log where you see the latest activity that you carried out in your account, and you can navigate by clicking on any of them and then going back to continue from where you stopped if you want to. Okay, that is it about the dashboard area. Let us click and go down to the campaign area. When you click on the campaign section here, it takes you down to this particular bar where you can create your campaigns or where you can view the already created and sent campaigns. Okay, like I said, this is the last campaign I just sent. I just showed you that in my email address, and this is it. You can see it is called text OM, and then if you come right here, you can see this is the test email, okay, that I sent earlier. I've showed you that already, and it has 1 recipient, which is myself. It's just a test email, like I said. So we have a list of other created campaigns, and you can click on this button here to create a new campaign. I'm going to talk more on that in another video. So when you get here, you can see we have the next option, which is automations. When you click it, we have a section for you to create an automated message. Okay, so this is an automated message. You know, automated messages are messages that send even when you are not presently on the software. Okay, you can create a list of series of emails that you want to send out to your subscribers even when you are not actively on the software. Okay, so it's a very helpful and important feature right here. So on the next okay, so let us check out the list section. And when you click on the list section, it allows you to upload a list. Okay, if you have a new list on your device that you wish to upload, you can click right here to create a new list. And this is the existing list that I have here. Okay, and on this existing list, I can choose to add a new subscriber onto this list. Okay, or I can choose to create a new list entirely. Okay, so let us see what happens when we click on the create list button. All right, so we are told to fill in these sections. It's quite a lot of sections, but it's important that you fill in everything. You fill in the name of the list, the default from name, that is the name that the subscribers will see when you send an email to them. You fill in your email address, the one you intend to use to send these emails, and then the default email subject. Okay, this is something you can change when you intend to send your email. So you can just fill in anything here, or you can leave it blank. And then you fill in your company details, and then you click on save, and then the list will appear on the previous page that we saw. Okay, the list will appear on the previous page that we saw. The list will now appear here. Okay, so let us go over to the templates section. All right, so the templates are actually more like pre-designed templates that you can use, that you can edit when you want to send an email out. Okay, we have provided a template for you, and then you can make changes to it, or you can use a new one entirely. Like you can upload a new template from your system onto this particular platform, and then you can use it when you're sending your emails, or you can create a new template from scratch. When you click on the create option, let us see what it shows. Okay, you see we have some layouts. Then you can pick any layout. When you pick any layout, let's say we'll pick this one, which is a 1:2 layout to start the design. Okay, so let's see what it has. Okay, as you can see, it's taking us to a template builder where we can now create our template. As you can see, we have the template right here. Now we can now make changes to it as you wish. You can change the text in here, you can change the image, you can change every single thing. Okay, it's a drag and drop system, so it's very easy to use. Then you can edit the footer right here, and then make it customized. All right, so when you're done, you click on save, and then the template will be created, and then you can make use of it whenever you intend to send your emails. Okay, so let us now go back to the platform. Let us go back to exit. Okay, I'm going to find a way to get out of this place. Save and close. Okay, I'm just going to go back now. Okay, so that is it about the templates. And then when you come to the sending option, we have the sending domain, the sending identity, the tracking domain, and then the blacklist. When you click on the sending domain, this is an important section that you need to fill out. Okay, because your sending domain is something that you need to put in, and then you activate the different sections of the sending domain, so that when you send and you know the kind of sending domain that you use will determine if your emails will be sent to the inbox or to the spam section. Okay, so as you can see, this particular sending domain that I've put in here has not been checked yet. All right, all these verifications have to be done at the back end of your domain. That is when you go to your domain host platform, you can log in to the back end, and then you can verify this particular uh, domain that you intend to add onto the platform, so that it can help your emails to get into the proper boxes when you send them out. Okay, so to add up a new sending domain, all you need to do is to click on this button right here which says new sending domain. When you click on that button, let's see what it says. Okay, you can see we are asked to enter the sending domain here. So when you enter your domain here, let's say test.com, and then you click on save. Okay, when you click on save, you are given a list of instructions on what to do. Okay, so you can see that this is all pending. Okay, when you read this, you will know what to do. All right, so you go into your sending domain and then you verify this. When you verify it, it will now be ticked that it has been verified, and then when you verify it, it will show up right here on this section. To show up right here, and then when you verify this one, it will show up right here. The same thing applies to the last one, and then when they are all verified, you can now click on the verify button right here to verify the sending domain. After you've done that, then you can start sending emails out with this particular email. This is an important feature because when you don't do this, then your mails will send actually, but they won't be sent into the proper sections of your clients or your subscribers inboxes. Okay, so let's check out the sending identity, which is the second option on the drop downs here. The sending identity is actually the domain that your subscribers will get to see when they receive your emails. Okay, so you can see I have a couple of sending identities here. Okay, I have some of them that are active that I can choose from, and then you can add some by yourself when you log into your platform. So the next option there is the tracking domain, which is also an important feature. Okay, so you want to track everywhere that the clicks are coming from, and whenever your emails are going to your subscribers, it has to be verified, and then there has to be a track record. Okay, so that your subscribers will know that your email is actually coming from you. All right, so you create a tracking domain here. Okay, so that in case there's any tracking or something, it can be traced back to you properly. Okay, so you click here to add a tracking domain, then you enter. It can either be a HTTP or a HTTPS domain. You enter it here, and then you want to verify the DNS. When you do that, if you are not familiar with this, you'll find videos on YouTube that will show you how to verify your DNS, or you can contract someone who is familiar with the back end of websites to do this for you. It's very easy. All right, so when you add a tracking domain, you just click on the save button right here, and then the tracking domain will be activated. And then finally, we have the blacklist section. The blacklist section is a section where you get to add blacklist emails that you do not want to send emails to anytime in the future. Okay, when you add them here, when you upload a list of the blacklist email addresses, then or when you upload a list, of course, or you just click on this particular place, and then you can get to choose the list of blackmailed emails. And then when you import it, all the emails on this particular list will not receive your emails ever until you deactivate them or remove them from the blacklist section. Okay, so it's just a place where you can house all the email addresses that you intend to avoid while sending emails to. Okay, so it can be helpful sometimes as well. Okay, so these are the basic features. This is just a run through of the basic features that you get to receive in your Orange Mail software. In the coming videos, I'm going to go deep into details in each feature of this particular software, and then I believe that will help you to also know how to navigate the software properly. Right here on the right corner of this place where you have the Orange JV, which is my username, right here, you can see that we have a couple of drop downs there. We have the credits used, which is similar to what we have here. Sorry, which is similar to what we have here. Okay, we have the credits used. I'm going to go back there. We have the subscriptions. That means subscriptions that you've made. All right, payments that you've made to continue keeping your account. We have the accounts, which is your account. We have the APIs, and we have the logout button. I'm going to open the APIs and let's see what we have there. Okay, so we can see we have the API tokens. Say for instance you want to integrate this particular software with a another party or another software, and then you are requested to provide an API, then this is where you can get that API document from. All right, so you copy it and then you paste it wherever you have to integrate this software with another software, and then whichever way you think it will optimize the use of the software, it is left to you to do that, or to choose what you want to do. Okay, so when you click on the account button, it brings you to this place where you can add the profile picture, and then you can change your account name and then your account email address, and change some other things. All right, and then customize your account to fit your preference. Okay, so when you're done with doing this, making the changes here, you're expected to click on the save button, right here, the save button right on the down corner here. All right, so when you save it, the changes that you've made will be activated. All right, so that will be all. That will be all for the general review of the Orange Mail software. Okay, like I said, I'll be creating more videos on which I'll be detailing how you can send emails, how you can create automation, and then how you can upload your list to the platform. All right, so thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.